back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Stitchfix box, and also I'm going to be asking myself, is this going to be the last time I will receive a Stitchfix box ever? You know, let's find out. But before I show you guys all the things that I got from Stitchfix, please follow me on all my social medias, and also don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So the first item that I got are some shoes or some heels, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Brown heels. I love receiving heels and from Stitchfix. Majority of the heels that I gotten from Stitchfix I absolutely love. I think it was one that I got from them that I didn't really like because it had like a pointed heel, and I don't really like pointed heels. Yeah, these are really cute. I love the design right here, and I love like the heel on the back. I don't know, I just love it. So the next item that I got is a jumpsuit, and this is what it looks like. I have mixed feelings about this because I've wanted a jumpsuit for a while now, but not like this one. Like, I really like the pattern on this, but I don't like how big the leg pants, the legs are. It's very wide. It's kind of like bell bottoms, but it's really flowy. And I kind of don't really like that a lot. But one thing I do like is that the elastic around the stomach is really tight, even on my body, because I have a pretty small like stomach. No, actually I don't really mind it. I don't mind that the arms are halfway, but I don't really like how it folds. But I like how stretchy it is, so I'm not keeping this. The next thing I got is some jewelry. And their packaging for their jewelry and their accessories have changed, because before they would just like send it in just like a plain box, but now their box has got a little bit more detailed, just like a little bit, just like the color, and they just put their logo on it. But yeah, I got a choker, which it looks like this. Can you guys see it? It just has like black chains at the top. In the middle it has like little balls. It kind of looks like rhinestones, but they're balls in the middle, and then like at the bottom just more chains. Not change. I've had mixed feelings about this one too, because although I do like chokers and stuff like that, but I also have like a whole bunch of chokers that I don't wear. So I don't want to keep this and be like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear it, but not wear it. So I'm sending it back. The next item I got is a knitted sweater, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick, and it has a turtleneck, which recently I've been kind of getting into turtlenecks, but not like the full-on turtlenecks, like the halfway turtlenecks. The back, it's like not completely open, because it stops like right at the neck, but it's open and it's laced up. I like that, so I'm definitely keeping this. And the last item I got is a jacket. It's a denim jacket, but this is like an extra small, and I like my jackets to be like either a small or a medium, a little bit bigger, just because I like a little bit more room. I don't know, I just feel like this is not really my style, so I'm sending that back. So overall, I am sending back 3 items, and I'm keeping 2 items. I'm definitely keeping these heels, because these heels are so cute. I absolutely love these so much. My main issue with Stitchfix is that I feel like the stylists that I get assigned to me do not listen to like my notes, or they don't look at the things that I pin or like send them, because I link my Pinterest board on the questionnaire and stuff like that, and I fill out like boxes that says that you can like tell us about your styles. I feel like they don't really listen to that, because it's just like really frustrating how this is my 21 box. I made sure, let's make sure. Yeah, this is my 21 box. 21 boxes, and I've only kept 3 of the boxes. I've kept all 5 items. All the rest I only kept like 2. So that kind of shows that the stylists don't really listen. They just pick out random stuff and just be like, oh, maybe she'll like it, you know, maybe she'll change her mind, you know. Before, I would be like, oh, you can send me any type of pattern, you know, plaid, floral. You can send me color because I need more color in my wardrobe, like red and like orange. Not like, oh, I'm not really orange. Or like green and blue and stuff like that. You can send me jewelry and all that. But like afterwards, it's like I had to change like everything from like neutral colors to like don't send me any type of patterns. But no, it's like they don't really look at the notes, because I've left a ton of notes to my stylist, to my 18 to 17 stylist, saying that, can you please look at my questionnaire? Can you please look at my Pinterest board? Can you please listen to me? Listen to me, okay? But you know, I can't believe I've been with them for this long, and it's like no like hate or anything to them, but it's just like kind of frustrating how they really don't listen, especially like after dealing with Trunk Club, how like I'm able to like message my stylist like one-on-one, and she like responds to me. She gets my style so much better than all those 18 and 17 stylists. I don't understand. I don't understand. I think Stitchfix is a really nice subscription box. I think that's the main thing that they really need to fix, is either they need to add like a messaging board thing to message your stylist one-on-one, or they need to have stylists that actually listens to you, that will look at your questionnaire, that will look at your comments, that will look at your note. So that's my major thing. You know, this is the last time that I will be doing an unboxing and purchasing anything from Stitch Fix from now on. It's no hard feelings, but at the end of the day, I found something a little bit better, a little bit more suitable for me. I don't know. At the end of the day, I just feel like Stitch Fix is just, it's not right for me. 21 boxes later. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.